100,000 bid, 100,000 bid, 110 would you go 120,000, gotta be 120,000, play would you go 120, gotta be 120,000. 120 now, 130 would you go 130,000, gotta be 130 now, 140,000, gotta be 140 now, 150, 150 now, 160,000, 150 now, 160, 160 now, 170, it's on the phones. 170 and now 180, gotta be 180,000, gotta be 180,000, 180 and now 190, 190 and now 200,000, 200 and now 225, 200,000's on the floor, gotta be 225 and now 250,000, gotta be 250,000, where do you go? 250 and now 275,000, and now 275,000 for the third and last time, last call, fair warning. Sold at 250,000, bidder number 463, 463. Nice battle, thank you.